Yay! I did it. As always, Morgan does everything. Yeah.
What you're saying is you've turned up, you've got the door, you managed to unfuck the door, and that's all you've done.
Yeah, but if you'd opened the door when you got here at whatever time that was after forgetting your keys, the door should be open. You know, it's work.
I've been in here working happily on my own, you turn up, fuck the door.
We've missed customers and everything.
Don't we have it?
I bet we have. Rubbish. You may remember me from such films as Mustang and other shit that we've done. So we had a customer come to us with a Volkswagen T4 camper van. We've had him in before with, he's had a full wax oil and he liked what we did. So he got us to do some body work. It started off as just the wheel arches, a few little bits and pieces. We then dug deeper, and unfortunately where the water fill for the freshwater tanks had been leaking and knackered over the years, it was unfortunately very rusty around that area, so we had to chop the whole lot out, put a new piece of rear quarter into it, weld that in, skim over with some filler, get it nice and smooth and make that right. We then found that one of the body seams on the other side wasn't very good, so we ended up cutting most of that out, welded that all up, resealed it. We then found the bottoms of the doors weren't very good. Had a little chat with the customer who went through it all with him, basically telling him what it needs doing, whether he wanted to go forward with it, and he said yes, carry on, get it right, get it done nice. So we did. We then got to the point, we put new door on it, we put wheel arches, we carried out quite a bit of welding, cutting out the rust in the bodywork, getting it all right, getting it all smooth, get it into primer. He wanted it in standard colour with some refreshed stripes on it. We were quite happy to do that, but that's not what it's about, is it? We're a custom shop. Why would you do it the same colour? So he left us with basically do whatever you want. Lightning. Hey.
Simon, you're already in so many videos, either known as Baldy or Grandad.
I'm going to shoot the dog. I'm in the middle of a serious interview. Serious one-take interview, and the dog barked. Lightning. Such a wanker. Yeah, so we had a chat with the customer, went through it all. He then decided to give us free hand with what we felt it should look like. And we did. We basically painted it the way we thought it would look good. and the original colour wasn't good enough. So we've done the bottom half in a serious colour, put all new stripes on, new stickers, new livery, and it came out really nice. The customer was over the moon. Everywhere he goes, he gets compliments on it. It's turned a tired looking van into a very up there custom paint job, one-off looking beast.
Come on, Morgan, come and buy something.
Yeah, Morgan. Hi, Pete.
Hello, mate.
Oh, let me pick that up off the floor first.
No,
No, get
Oh, hello.
Oh, what happened there? No, I'm hiding.
This is going to be a
Go buy
short
some.
video.
Black. Grey primer.
What
red
black
oxide.
have we been using? Satin.
Yeah. That's
Well,
good,
we'll
that
have,
is.
we'll have a case of satin because
Goes on really well. Satin.
satin.
I'm not stood in, I'm sat in.
Well, that's not a case, is it?
Hold on, just wait. Oh no,
Missing.
popular.
Oh, your phone.
On the neck, yeah. Flipping neck. Looks like you're having 5.
You'll still charge me for 6, I'm sure. That's what normally happens. Can we also have this on video evidence? I'm paying £40. That's
look,
40.
Look, no it's not.
How much is there?
It's £20.
That's £20, is it? So is that 20 for the shop and 20 for your tea and coffee fund?
No,
Or your bar?
£10. £10 for me and £10 for the shop.
How much for me?
Thank you.
You're not worth anything.
Have you found anything we spend his money on?
Airline fitting.
What sort?
Oh yeah.
No, an airline fitting.
Yeah, what sort?
One that the pipe goes on. So I can cut the pipe off.
And then go into a cockpit.
Yes, basically. Yeah,
Because we bent it. We put hole. Ooh, leaky. Stop clicking. What do I want? Yeah, a little one. So male. Male. Or it could identify as a toaster. Yeah, one of them would probably do the job, but I'd rather one that didn't do it like that.
What one do you want?
I want a screw in one end
Yeah,
and a
I know that won't work, will it?
Yeah. So I want a male screw in.
yeah. And,
And
that,
a-
a tail.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
that end.
No, the other end.
10mm hose? I mean 8mm hose?
Arrows. Letter O's.
I like arrows.
Arrows. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not the letter O's.
I used to
the
like
number
the
O's.
advert as well. When she was running in the cornfield. You remember that? Arrows.
No, I don't remember that. Ooh.
20 quid that is.
That probably is knowing you can have a Jubilee clip to go with it.
I
You
just
said that. Why don't you have some Jubilee clips off me?
I don't want to buy Jubilee clips off you. They're expensive enough.
Expensive enough?
Yeah.
What do you mean expensive enough?
Yeah. You know.
You know. Need one of those clips.
3 4 mints or a mint strong
Got
jar.
1 or 2?
One.
One sticky bun.
I love to
Is
come.
that right?
That is too small.
Oh man.
Come on.
Oh here you are. Oh here you are. Why don't you just have a selection? And then you've got
What,
something
whip
strong.
round?
Hey? An assorted packet.
A quick one. Ready sorted?
Assorted packet.
You got ready sorted, have you?
Is that right?
They're free, aren't they?
No, there's 2.
Hey.
No, you're not going to go for an assorted packet.
No, I don't want ready sorted.
One
packet.
day, very soon, you'll be saying,
Dry
I wish
roasted.
I had that packet off of it.
Dry roasted.
I'll get some dry roasted for next week.
Lovely.
Is that right?
Yeah, lovely.
Right.
Thank you.
Your lad's going for a driving test. No lesson in a fortnight's time, he told me.
But you'll have to put the seat back for you to drive your van.
What? No, I'll have to move it forward.
He's taller than you.
Oh, that's fine. Right, I'll go in. See you
Hi,
later.
Jules.
I'm having the
Take care. Bye, mate. Stop crashing the car.
Jules, he is the best.
I'm not even
Or simple, one or the other.
Simply.
Might make a coffee now.
Go on then.
You're making it, aren't you?
No, you're making it.
Are you having one?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Yeah, let's make a coffee.
Make me a coffee, bitch.
How do you do it? Fill it milk.
No. Not that much milk.
That much milk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the sugar and the coffee.
1 sugar.
2.
2.
That's why I'm fat.
Right, yeah.
You put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. That's 1 push.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then when it goes ding, you pour water in, but stir at the same time. Education.
Why do you do it like that?
Because I like coffee like that. Get on with it.
What difference? Why do you have to?
Because it tastes better. Have you tried it?
No, I'm going now.
Yeah. You're going to do 2 now, are you?
Yeah. Ooh. Maybe fry.
Fry. Oh, is he having one as well?
Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee?
I will, thank you.
Or?
Oh.
Is he having sugar?
Where's sugar?
As per normal, the only one working, I've followed the whole side of this van all by myself on my own. Told me to do it. Putting that stuff away as well. It's going to be our feature vehicle for our December magazine, which is available online. Go through our Facebook page and subscribe. It is completely free. We make a little bit of money out of it to pay for costs by doing a bit of advertising in there. So if you've got a small business, give us a shout.